Finding and getting the reports you need is an important part to successfully implementing Locate Inventory. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. In this video, I'm going to show you the ropes with Locate Reports. Okay, we've got Locate here. First place we're going to go is Reports right here. And you'll see we have a whole list of reports. Now when I say report, I also refer to templates and labels. It's kind of a habit to just call them all reports. Basically anything that prints out of the software is known as a report. Locate uses Jaspersoft, which we're very familiar with. And if you need any customization to any of your reports, give us a call. So let's take a look here at the most common report. We'll just pull up the sales order report. There we go. Sales order report right there. Now, just this morning, this is what inspired this. This is what inspired this report. It's just this morning I got a question about showing the description of the part on the sales order. You'll notice that by default the description does not show. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and you'll see it says display options down here, and over here to the right in the very bottom right hand corner is this toggle. We'll click on the toggle and now we can see all the display options. And you'll see no, 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 yes, yes, yes. So the no's are what's not showing, the yes is what is showing. For this particular customer, we looked for the part description that isn't showing by default. And you may see it before I do. I just looked at this. There it is. Over on the left-hand side, item part description. You'll show that that's not displaying by default. Let me show you a before and after. So let's pull up the sales order before we change the setting, and then I'll show you what it looks like after we change the setting. So I'm going to go to sales order. I could have done it from the report screen, but oh well, we're going here. So I've got a sales order pulled up, and then right here on the sales order screen, we'll click the reports drop down, click sales order report. And here we have the sales order report, but it automatically is populated with the sales order. Now I like to switch the view. If we come here to run as, I like to switch the view to PDF because it shows it large and it's easier to see. It looks better on this big screen. But if we go back, this opened up a new tab, as you see right there. If we go back, then we have this options screen. It shows us profiles and parameters and display options. Parameters are your filters and sorting options. That's what your parameters are here. Notice this report is filtered by this sales order number and has an option to change the report title or show custom fields. This is something really awesome about Locate is you can create a custom field, and then that custom field can automatically be added to the report. It's already built into the programming. So yes, you can add custom fields to Locate reports. It's amazing. Be sure to check your parameters as well. So let's take a look at this report. If I scroll down, you'll see it's showing part number and part name. We're going to make this show the part description. So I'll scroll back up and go back to where we were with this display options, which there's 42 of them, and click this drop down and then look for item part description. Now it's organized in sort of a header line format. You see the line item details. That's where I found the part description. And then below we see the order details. Those are the fields that pertain to the entire order, and then some other settings up here. So let's toggle this item part description from no to yes. And then we can run the report, but if you're making that change, I imagine you want that changed on all sales orders, right? So to do that, we use this report profile section right here. Click on this little drop down for report profile and select new profile. Then that's going to ask you to give it a name. So I'll just say SO with part description. That's the new name of the new profile of this report. I'll click yes and then save and close. And that just made this new profile the default. Once again, if I come here, actually we'll see it in this drop down. If I click right here, there's the new profile drop down. And we can update that profile and change it if we want. But now we have a new default profile. Come down here and we see now we've got the description added. And now that we set that profile to default, we can run any sales order and the part description will show up on any sales order now. So I can run another sales order, take a look, and we've got the part description with all our sales orders by default. Before you give us a call and say, hey, we don't have the report we want, or it's not working, check the profile settings and the field settings and all the options that's already available. And if you still can't get the report to do what you need it to do, give us a call. We'll get you a quote on what it'll cost to edit these reports or write what you need from scratch, whether it's a template, report, or label. Comment below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And if this video was helpful, click like.